Good question.
My talk is using danger in iOS development. Do you know danger? Please raise your hand. Oh. And do you use danger in development? No. Okay. By the way, this is my avatar. You can find me on Twitter, GitHub, and Instagram with pancake. I have some pancake stickers using these pictures. If you want to get this sticker, please call me later. Again, my real name is Satoshi. I live in Kobe. Today, I came to Tokyo by Shinkansen. I'm an iOS developer at Oka, and I'm making an iOS application called Player. On Player, we can chat about sports. We can chat about sports games such as soccer, baseball, basketball, and so on. And we can watch the news about variable sports on Player application. And I am an organizer of TriSwift. TriSwift is an international conference. It will take place in Tokyo, New York, and India. Also, I'm set to be a founder of Pancake Meetup, but I don't have pancakes these days. In this talk, I talk about danger systems. What is danger? Next, including danger, I introduce how to use danger systems in your project. And using danger on our terminal. We can use danger for an existing pull request on our terminal. If this is your first time to use danger, I recommend this way because maybe you run danger many times during development. In this way, you can test danger file quickly. Next, using danger on our CI. In this talk, I use Travis here because it's available without payment. Even if you use Satoshi or others, you can use danger as well. Finally, I introduce the practical usage of danger. We can see a lot of projects using danger on GitHub. And I found some blogs and slides written in Japanese. Okay, let's start. What is danger? Now, danger is written in Ruby and JavaScript. In this talk, I use the above danger, which is written in Ruby. If you want to know in detail, please see the official website. Danger is an automation tool for code review. It's written in Ruby. but we can use it for other program languages. When you use danger on your CI, the result is shown as a comment on the GitHub. An error, and warning, and message. And we can use on variable service, for example, Satoshi, Travis CI, Jenkins, and GitHub, GitLab, and we can handle diffs from Git. Next, including danger in your project. I introduce how to use danger in your project. Danger has great guides on their official website, so I think you can do that easily. According to their guide, run gem install bundler command on your terminal and run bundle init command in your project root directory. Then a gem file is created. If you have an existing gem file, add gem danger to it. Next, run bundle install command and bundle exec danger init command in your terminal. Then a danger file is created in your project root directory. This is a starter danger file. You can have pull request title and lines of code and so on. In the middle of the file, this one. If lines of code is over 500, danger show warning, big PR. And you can add other rules as well. Using danger on your terminal. As mentioned previously, you can test danger quickly on your terminal. For example, I created a simple danger file without any conditions. On your terminal, run bundle exec, run the above command, and then the result is shown on your terminal. In this case, the warning is shown without any conditions. To show clearly, I made it simple. Next, using danger on your CI. After confirming danger is available, let's run danger on your CI. In this talk, I use GitHub. First, create an account for danger. Another account For example, I have an account JP Master, but I create a new account for danger and set personal access tokens on GitHub. In this case, select public report. Next, I use Travis CI and set danger GitHub API token as environment variables. You open the Travis CI website and you can set environment variables. So you input here the access token from GitHub. Create a simple Travis.yml. Just run bundle exec danger. Running danger on your CI, then danger is commented on GitHub. This is the first comment, but if you run danger again, the danger is overwritten. The comment is overwritten by danger. So far, we learned how to use danger with a simple example. So I introduce some existing danger file. This is danger file in danger repository. It's very complex and very big file. It's hard to understand for me. Next. This is danger file in personal repository. They check lines of code. If the line of code is over 500, they want a big PR. And this is danger file in RX repository. One if port text is changed. And one when there is a big PR. This is a danger file from Cookpad application for Android. If title has a double IP, they want PR is classed as work in progress. And this is a danger file from Android danger sample at Mercari. In other example, one, if important file is changed, and file pull request if required file is removed, and one add screenshot if including storyboard file. And we can handle the following from the GitHub. Pull request authors, pull request title, pull request body, pull request labels, add milestone, assign, and so on. So we can use that we can make a variable danger files. To recap, in this talk, I introduced how to use danger simply. It's from danger repository. And stop saying you forgot to do something in code review. Finally, these are useful references, but most of them are written in Japanese. For your information, Cookbat has used Dokumi framework, which was made by developer at Cookbat. But now, Cookbat used Danger. And Danger is inspired by Dokumi. That's all. Any questions?
So JP Martin, are you using Danger at your company?
No, personal project.
Personal project?
Yeah.
Is it just you, or do you have a team? Do you have a team
Yeah.
for your personal project?
Yeah.
How many people?
Just one.
Just one? Okay.
So,
So what do you use Danger for on your personal project?
Just that.
I have a question.
yeah.
I've never heard of Danger before, so I actually have no idea what it does. Could you just, 2 seconds, 3 seconds, just what does it do? Does it warn you about something, or does it?
Example.
It will automatically add comments to your repo if you forget to do something based on the rules that you set.
Yeah, so automatic comment. Yep, I got it. Is it just for pull requests? So,
Sorry.
does it work on normal commits, or is it only pull requests that it runs on waiting computer?
PR のみですか？
です。
それともコミットも、
only pull request.
So do you have to manually run it, or can you set up when it does run? Or is it like you said, only on when they pull? Like, can you make it manually run every time you create a build or something like that?
Well, like with Fastlane, that would be part of the situation. Whatever you, like I get GitHub, you have a webhook that triggers your CI, then part of your CI process then should trigger these.
That makes sense, okay, yeah.
Sorry.
I never used one of these comment images before, so.
it looks like you used Fastlane, right,
Yeah.
to integrate
Yeah.
for your.
Fastlane, Swiftly, and Danger.
Danger. Do you use a CI tool?
Yeah.
Which CI do you use? Travis?
Sorry. Yeah.
Okay.
No host.
Yeah.
With a email.
When was Danger created, do you know? When was it made?
When?
When was danger made? なんかいつ作られたんですか？